There are 4.6 billion email users worldwide, and this number is expected to grow to 4.8 billion by 2025. The average open rate of an email across industries is 21.33%, while the organic reach of an Instagram post is only 9.4% of your audience. Email marketing has an ROI of $42 per dollar spent and can have a conversion rate of up to 6%, significantly outperforming Instagram's conversion rate of 1.85%. Here are 4 must-have emails you should have in your email sequence. First is the delivery of the lead magnet. Again, this can be broken down into 4 parts. First is welcome them to your community. Say something like, hey, I'm so glad you're here and I'm sending this email to you and you're getting this lead magnet of mine. The second is deliver the lead magnet clearly. Give them the exact instructions on how they can download it, how they can use it, if they need a username or password, how do they set up a password, everything that's required to access the lead magnet. The third is point them somewhere else as well. So usually I say something like, while you can get my free weight loss guide here, you can also follow me on Instagram to learn more about sustainable weight loss tips. The fourth is get them to engage. So I say something like, please reply to my email telling me I got your email so that I'm not sending you the next email in your spam or your junk folder. And I'd honestly just love to know if you got my lead magnet. So now on to the second email. You should send this somewhere between 3 to 7 days after delivering the lead magnet, which was in your first email. This email is all about building a connection for you to be able to humanize your brand. And of course, this is your opportunity to sprinkle some credibility in there as well. Share something unexpected, quirky, personal, something that they'll remember you by. So sometimes I share things like, on a Saturday afternoon, you'll find me at my favorite coffee shop, Arabica, drinking my iced Americano with a dash of milk, watching reality TV with a notebook full of ideas for you. Another one I've shared is how I've met my husband in the gym back when I was 18. So the third one is my absolute favorite, and I've gotten max responses from that as well. It's when I talk about how when I go shopping and I look for something, my instant thought is how can I get this for cheaper or how can I get a better one for the same price? And then I link this with how my entire goal of selling diet plans is how I can provide for a better diet plan in an affordable cost. And that's how I landed upon my generic diet plan, wherein I provide a flexible diet plan that goes across Indian, Asian, Mexican, South Asian, Thai, Japanese, various cuisines, and I provide that for only 9.99 rupees a year. Or I talk about my love for tiramisu or red wine and how all my 4,500 clients across the globe have lost 2 to 3 kilos a month while enjoying their favorite foods as well. This is a short email because you actually want them to read it, and of course you want them to humanize the brand, so you can add some pictures as well. Don't forget to add a PS to this email as well. I sometimes redirect them to chat with me on Instagram or WhatsApp, or I tell them what to expect in the next email. Now the third email is my absolute favorite, and that's where I think the fun begins. Most copywriting and email marketing experts will tell you to have the third email, which is just a check-in to check if they checked your lead magnet or how are they doing, how are they coming along on their weight loss journey, what their pain points are. But this is where I talk about how you can actually provide value and help to the email user. Think of their pain points, think of what solutions you can offer them, and think of actually helping them. Don't just provide any fluffy solution. So my lead magnet is a free weight loss guide, and I provide a list of solutions in it on how they can actually implement these strategies in their life. So I know that their pain point is weight loss. But I also get a lot of responses on Instagram, or my clients tell me all the time that I don't have time to meal prep, I don't want to spend extra money on buying fancy and expensive groceries, I don't want to get a cook, I don't want to get a tiffin service, I eat from out every day. So in this email, I address all these pain points. So I structure the email in such a way where the first line talks about I don't have time to work out, and I say if this sounds like you, make sure you check out the video below. I keep the video up to 30 seconds. I talk about various ways in which they can increase their movement through the day even though they may not have time to work out, because I obviously understand that someone who's working 9 to midnight is not going to wake up at 6 a.m. and go to the gym. That's not realistic. So in that video, I will talk about how you can walk and talk, take 2 floors of the stairs and then take the elevator, because obviously taking the stairs all the way till your office on the 11th floor is not realistic. Then I talk about keeping an alarm on your phone for every 90 minutes and make sure you walk. And even if you don't walk or you snooze it, don't switch off the next couple of alarms, but keep this going for a month till you actually get into the rhythm. So in this email, I'll also add a call to action with a one-liner like, my client Radhika lost 3 kilos last week while working a hectic investment banking job in London where she was ordering out all the time. She continued to order out. I provided her with affordable, sustainable, balanced diet options that helped her lose weight and helped her focus more at work as well. If you want to learn more about this transformation, WhatsApp me or chat with me on Instagram. Then I share another call to action below. Learn more about my diet plans here. And of course, I add a PS in this email as well, and my PS is usually a call to action. Now, the fourth and the final email is where you deliver your offer clearly. You state exactly what your product is, you state exactly all the features, all the USP, what they'll be getting at that price point. Then you would also add a testimonial if it's a video of a client talking about how great your product was, a picture of a client with their transformation, a screenshot of theirs where they were telling you how happy they were with your results. Whatever it is, make sure you share a testimonial. And this is again an email that I would add multiple call to actions in. So this is what I share in my last email. My 7-day weight loss menu product for rupees 599 only is customized to your taste, preferences, lifestyle, and medical conditions. You have access to an ACE certified nutritionist on WhatsApp and calls at all times. I provide a restaurant guide for Asian, Italian, Mexican, Thai, various other cuisines along with this plan. And I provide a list of alternatives and guidelines on how you can follow this diet plan for a lifetime, because my goal is to help you make lifestyle changes that you can actually sustain than to just provide you with a 30-day weight loss diet plan that doesn't actually work. If you found this video helpful, make sure you tap the subscribe button, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I would love to help you craft your email sequence.